Yum, Sophie. She's just going right for the icing. Sophie, you might just be my favorite cake smash baby. Oops. I didn't mean to hold it. Oh, that's okay.
Oh, she grabbed him with like 2 hands.
That's what we want to see, sister.
She's gonna be sick.
We won't let her have too much more ice.
Wow.
Yum.
This gotta happen more often, eh, Soph?
She's like, really? This entire cake? This is for what? She is serious about it, too. Sophie! She is serious about it. Yay!
Yay!
Yay! It's your cake. You smash it up, buddy. Yay! Yay! Go get it! Go get it! Get that cake! Go get it! Yeah! Yeah! She's like, am I in a dream? Am I in a dream? Oh! Dude, show not too much icing, baby! Grab the cake, kiddo. Yum! Yay! Yay! Is it good? Hi. Sophie! Yummers! Sophie. Yum, baby. Sophie. I'll buy you some broccoli for supper.
Yeah.
So we have another of my veggies for the next week, my friend. Oh. Sophie, hi.
She's loving the cake now. Past the icing.
She's like, ta-ta. Yeah, ta-ta, hello, I want that. Just wait, so we won't let you have too much more, we'll take it away. She's probably moving them on. Hi! What are you doing? What are you doing? Hi. What do you have? Your nose up. Just like right kind of above her like that, yeah. Oh, that's good. And just hi. 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 Boo! Do you love your cake? Yeah. Hi, Sophie. 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 Oh. She's so funny with it. Hi, baby. Sophie. Yum. 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 I'll take that either. Sophie. Yum.
Yeah.
Yum. Yummy. Yum, 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 yum. Is it good? Yum, 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 yum. Oh,
Yum, yum,
those
yum,
little
yum,
chubby
yum.
little fingers. Uh-oh. I don't know if she's checking out. Uh-oh. What about this? Sophie! What happened to your cake? Are you all done?
All done.
Are you all done?
All done.
All done. Are you all done your cake? Can you push her a little closer just for 1 second? I just want to get a couple more shots of her cake. All done.
Good?
Yeah. Sophie, all done. Can you say bye-bye to your cake?
Say bye-bye, cake. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, cake. Oh, she's like, my cake's not going anywhere. Bye-bye, cake. Look at me, Sophie. Oh, Sophie.
So,
Hi. Oh, no, I'm done with that. Thank you very much. Now, Andrea, can you stand her? Like, just hold her up with just her legs kind of